it's the big draw for anyone who comes here is, look at the view. You're overlooking the wildlife refuge. Well, it's our Achilles heel. We absolutely love it. We need it. But it's also what has caused damage to the building over the years.
Most of the balconies had solariums on them, and the solariums were installed after the original construction of the building. The problem with that was that the tie-in between the solariums and the original building was not coordinated.
Solariums were installed in about every fashion you could imagine, so they leaked all over the place. Lots of running water on the inside of solariums.
So we went through, I believe, every engineering firm and every contractor in town over the last, call it 5 years, has been through here, has given us advice and guidance. Ultimately, Walker came in, and I think the big difference is we really felt like they were partners. Some of the other engineering firms that we had worked with, the plan was to bring in heavy equipment, which was going to require us to put a $500,000 concrete retaining wall. There was a number of things that were very concerning. Walker came in and they found an approach to repairing that allowed us to work with what we had without having to build a huge retaining wall and without having to bring in big equipment. So yes, Walker's been a very good partner. They understand us.
The unique benefit that Walker brings to this project is our approach to restoring the structure. We saved significant time and money on this project. Cantilevering the swing stage from the roof made this financially feasible for the condo association and also appealing for permitting wise from both the state and the city's perspective.
So we're doing a facade restoration, tearing off a whole bunch of stucco, replacing the stucco, installing some new flashings, tearing off existing solariums and putting some new solariums back on.
In addition to being sensitive to the needs of the homeowners, the communication has always been very good. We have meetings regularly. I can send emails, I can send text messages, I get responses. I'm not viewed as a pest.
At the conclusion of this project, the owners of Appletree Square will have a brand new south facade and have a facade that is easy to maintain for the future of the building.